Well, hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to the student debrief. Yeah, time for the student debrief. Today we're going to talk about rounding and how it can help you with mental multiplication. Mathemite, I really wish you would stop completing your sentences. Yeah, I kind of wish you'd do that. All right, we're going to talk about how we can use rounding to work out mental math. No decomposing, just figure things out. Yes, it should be quite exciting. Yeah, it should be. Thank you, Mathemite. You're welcome. All right, so here we go. We say 499. No, let's do, what was the problem I was working on? Oh, yeah, let's do 497 minus 399. And this is in a copycat time. We're just listening and learning. So we can round up on each of these cases. This would be rounded up to 500. This would be rounded up to 400. We can subtract. Okay, I can see that this is 3 away from 100. This is 1 away from 100, the next 100. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Can subtract 100 minus 98. I can do that in my head. I said I wasn't going to do writing. So 98. All right, let's see if I'm right. Now we'll see if this 98 is correct. So I'm going to decompose here. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. There's 3. And then we have 18 tens minus 9 tens is 9. And sure enough, I was absolutely correct. Of course, in some cases, this wouldn't work out too well for you. For example, in a midpoint type situation, near the midpoint, like 351. Minus 252. So we would just go ahead and round. We're subtracting, so we could round to the nearest, let's say, if I round to the nearest 100, I'm going to have 400, and then I'm going to have 300. 400 minus 300, of course, is 100, and I don't think 100 would be very close to this. So here's a situation when it's close to the midpoint that rounding might not be all that valuable to you because, look, can't take 2 away from 1. This becomes 4. 11 minus 2 is 9. There's 2. 14 minus 5 is 9. Actually, it came out pretty close, but I would have had to have done we've been really quite a mental math wizard. I would have had to take a lot of numbers going on there and subtracting. So not too bad, but see how when it's close to the 100, you can use mental math pretty easily. Okay. All right. That concludes the student debrief for today. Thank you for joining me. And be sure to do your best on the quiz that follows this debrief.